Okay, let's marinate this chicken legs. 2 tablespoon soy sauce. I think kulang to. 3 tablespoons. Ayan. Light soy sauce and this is dark soy sauce. 3 tablespoon. Tansya lang ito. And then mamaya i-massage natin yung mga chicken. And 3 tablespoon of oil. Let's massage it. Ayun. Okay, marinate natin yung manok, yung legs. Light soy sauce. Lagyan natin uli ng oil. Ayan. Tapos lagay natin yung green onion. Lagay natin dito. Tsaka yung ginger. Lagyan natin ng ginger sa ibaba. Barbaram. Iyo. Lagay pa natin to. Mamarinate natin yan. Okay? Then just wait for 24 hours. I want to marinate 24 hours. Okay, I steamed the chicken legs. This is the final result. So, it's delicious.